Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig review. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, okay? We're gonna be right back. So welcome back. Today's unit was sent to me by no other than Sensationnel. So thank you kindly for sending me this unit. It is from their What Lace collection. It is the human hair and premium fiber blend. It's in the style Keshila. Y'all are getting creative with these names. Keshila. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's 20 inches long and it's the color Melt Hazel. It's a glueless lace front wig, virtually HD lace, undetectable, with a 13x6 natural density. And this is what the unit is giving. And you guys, this unit does come in other colors, and my hand is blocking them. And then here is the back of the stock card. So some fun facts about this unit is that it's a full body movement and natural luster, 13x6 ear-to-ear HD lace with a 6-inch deep hand-tied parting, well, there's no parting space, but 6-inch deep hand-tied knots Pre-plucked natural density hairline with baby hairs, a mesh cap with elastic band, and a comfortable, secure fit. It says it's well crafted, pre-customized, and undetectable. And this unit does come with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and then it also comes with an adjustable elastic band. So if you watch my last video with the curly wig that I had on earlier, that is another Sensational unit, and I was saying that I wish it had an elastic band, and this one does. So this unit is definitely big hip friendly. The cap is very, very comfortable, I should say. And I'm loving these colors. This color is so gorgeous. As you guys can see, I melted the hairline. I didn't have to glue it. Y'all know I love me some plop and goes on this channel. The hair, I will say, it's a little, just a little, it's not necessarily tangling, it's just the curls. Like I can't get okay, there we go. I can't get like a full run through because of the curl pattern, but I don't want to mess up the curls either, so I don't really want to run my hands through. But you guys, it's a yaki texture, premium fiber and human hair blend, which is amazing. And you guys, this unit, it just gives lush. Like it's not silky, it feels full, like it's nice and thick. I am loving this unit. I don't know the price point because it has not come out yet, but I will list it in the description box below, along with a link for you guys to click if you want to purchase. And y'all, I'm loving these highlights. Like this is giving early V-Day vibes. Like look at this. Early V-Day vibes. I'm like cozy and comfortable and in my little 2-piece set. Like I'm ready to put my feet up, have me a little charcuterie board, and drink me a glass of wine. Like I'm feeling good with this unit on, y'all. This is so cute. It's definitely giving luxe. And there's a lot of different ways you can style it. In the stock card, the girl has it styled up, which is nice. But y'all know I love me. Like I'm a pretty simple girl. I like to keep it simple, and I love the middle part. So I did go in with my blow dryer just a little bit at the top to keep it flat, and then I went in underneath with some store-bought LA Girl Pro foundation. I wanted to get another shade darker actually, so I can go along the hairline with a darker shade, but I did use my contour stick, which is why this unit is blending in so effortlessly. What else? Yeah, it was a plop and go. I cut the lace, y'all. Y'all know I love me some plop and go. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, okay? And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.